I am the unstoppable denominator. I don't know if you can tell, but it is really snowing outside. Look. Look at it. It's snow. And it's the third day of um of spring, right? Look at this shit. Look at on my car in my truck. Look at my wife's van. Alright? Look at on my fucking truck. It's snow on my fucking truck. Seriously. What the fuck is this shit? Mother Nature, make up your mind. Do you want snow? Do you want fucking you want spring? What do you want? Winter or spring? Make up your mind. What do you want both? Spring and winter and fucking summer, because we haven't even had barely any fucking snow this year where I live. And it's fucking probably 30 degrees out here right now where I live. But still, Mother Nature can't make up her mind. It would thunder and lightning here. It would, geez, look at it. It's snowing on the third day of spring. We haven't barely had no fucking snow at all. Seriously, no snow at all this year. We'd probably get somewhat of a snow, but we barely have any major snowstorms, like big snowstorms. Seriously, no snowstorms at all. We'd have like somewhat of this snow, like what we have on my wife's van. But yeah, seriously, this is bullshit. Mother Nature, make up your mind. Seriously. Please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below on what you think about Mother Nature. And also, have a great day, night, morning, whatever time you're watching this. Unstoppable, out.